Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger and you're trying to find the fuse for the keyless entry module, also known as RF hub, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, how to replace it, and what in some cases could be other problems that can make the keyless entry not to work. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Before we start, guys, okay, what we have here, 2018 Dodge Challenger V6 V8, it will work about the same. Most people will automatically open the hood and they will think the fuse is in that fuse box right here, but that's wrong, guys. Actually, it's in a different place and we need to go to the trunk of that Dodge Challenger. It's been in a little bit of an accident here, but not bad. Runs like a champ and we'll be rebuilding it very soon. So if you open the trunk, okay, all we have to do is see, open the trunk on your Dodge Challenger. Then you're going to leave that cover right here so you can get to the spare tire and the car battery on the bottom. And right here you have a special fuse box for the body of your Dodge Challenger. We'll open it by pressing here and pulling up and pull it out. Now let's talk, guys, why it's super important to test fuses and not to just look through the window of that fuse or sometimes through the fuse itself, because sometimes you cannot clearly tell if the fuse is good or bad. So always test them, that way you don't waste your money and parts and time, guys, on things you don't need. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So check out the video, guys, if you need more help with that. So the fuse, guys, that we need is actually known as fuse number, okay, fuse number 33. Okay, 33, that one, guys, okay, will be a 15 amp fuse. So if you come right here, we have, that's 31, 32, 33, that third fuse, 1, 2, 3 in that row right here. That's the one that you need to check for the keyless entry, guys. Okay, so let's see, we want to go ahead, grab it and pull it out. Now if you want to see how to replace keyless entry antenna and where the keyless entry antennas are located, we'll have a special video on the channel that will teach you about that as well. Very important, guys, to know where they are, because sometimes it could be a bad antenna causing that problem. And in other cases, if it was a short in the system or something like that that burned the fuse or a bad fuse, sometimes the body control module may deactivate that function. As a result, you may need a scanner that accesses every computer system in your car and reset the codes. This is our favorite scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.